pancake.
Daddy's out of here, girls.
I bring my pancake.
You bringing a
Yeah,
pancake?
you eat it here first. We still have time.
Daddy doesn't. Daddy doesn't.
Daddy's
Huh?
Daddy's get influenced by
My papa. Are you watching this part? What do you think of me Yorkshire accent? You goose. Huh?
She says I'm sure I'll go
Papa is
there.
watching. Say
Aye.
hi, Papa and Nani. Hi, Papa and Nani. They're watching.
Aye. What do you think of me Yorkshire accent? Aye. Give Daddy a kiss.
Daddy?
Oi, give Daddy a kiss. I'm going now.
No.
Alam niyo ba yung lolo ni Daddy Mike is English. So you've got like a English blood, Daddy, in you.
You'll have some English in you too, bub, if you don't relax.
Shut up, Mom.
Telling me.
Just telling. Come on.
Daddy, look. I look.
I'm looking at Auntie.
Whenever Savannah tells me I'm a shorty,
A shorty? Yeah.
I always do my for a little bit, then for 1 second I love.
Yeah.
How do you do that?
And then two friends,
You got two friends?
and then 4. Because I can go on the moon and he got
I want a kiss.
friends.
I'm going now.
We're going to pick up Aji to school.
I'm going to work now. In the office. Can I have a kiss?
No, I
And say you love Daddy.
love you, Daddy.
Kiss.
I say love you, Daddy.
Where's my kiss?
I love you, Ben.
Kiss.
I'm not.
Love it. Where's Papa's kiss? Give
See you,
Daddy.
say, see you, Papa.
Give Daddy his kiss now, please, love.
See ya, Papa.
I love you.
See ya, Papa.
See ya, Papa.
See ya, Papa, Daddy.
See ya, Celine Ray, big girl.
Okay.
See ya, my love auntie.
See ya,
Auntie said.
Daddy.
What you
See
said?
ya, Daddy. See you, Daddy.
Huh?
See you, Daddy. See you, Mom.
Stop your English accent.
I can't stop it now.
Viruses.
Come here. Come here, darling. Come here, sweetheart.
Don't talk like that.
What do you mean? It's my Australian accent.
Had a very nice swing. I tried the middle bit. But you were waking me up.
Me?
Mum and Auntie going to work tomorrow?
No, you were
Celine, stay with
waking me
Daddy.
up while I was still
Not tomorrow,
dressed.
Daddy. Wait.
Oh yeah, no, Sunday.
Honey, Allah, why do you have it on the table, anak?
Hi.
Girls are absolutely wasting time.
Hi. This one, Daddy.
That's all right.
Yung aga akong gumising, guys, kasi nag-work ako ng pancake. Ah, bakit sobrang brown tingnan sa camera?
Mommy,
Ay,
that's I don't wanna play. Hey, Mommy, I don't wanna play.
Is
Can
there
I
a corner
call
store?
you?
ha?
I hear my bird song.
Kiss me real, not like a fake.
Mama! Mama!
Kiss me, Mina.
Cheese.
Show me. Hold on. You're both fake. Hold on. Hold on. Daddy's gonna see smile. Okay, ready?
Smile.
Smile. Auntie, smile. Lenny, smile. Lenny, look. Oh, Lenny,
Lady,
Daddy's
this
right
way.
side. Look.
This way. Come on,
Look at the
Daddy.
camera.
Daddy's going to work now.
Oi. Smile.
Look at the camera, Ling. Lady.
Good girls. Love yous.
See you, Daddy.
No,
See you, Louise. Say bye-bye, Daddy.
I just want this.
Good morning, everyone. Kape-kape muna tayo before tayo alis for school drop-off. So it's Friday, and Baby Celine is going to childcare, and Ate Paris is going to school. It means it's Mommy's day off, so we have something going on today. And, alam niyo ba exciting? This is the first vlog after my chin filler. So, it's been 10 days, and that's what it looks like now. Ayan. I'm also gonna upload a video, guys, talking about my chin filler experience and all that questions. So this is what my chin looks like after 10 days. Ayan. Yeah, hindi ako nag-vlog for the last 10 days. Can you believe that? Kasi, healing process. I was bruised dito sa side na to. Meron pa siyang konti, ayan, o, naiwan. Some of you might not notice it because it's just a subtle change. But for me, kitang-kita ko yung diferensya niya, guys. But I think sa inyo na nanonood, palagi, makikita niyo. Like, manonotice niyo talaga. So, ayan siya. Oh.
Mom!
Yes,
Who's
baby?
eating it? Mommy was eating
May
it.
appointment si mami niyo after ng school drop-off. Kaya ito ang ating pa-outfit for today's video. Ayan. Love this blazer. Parang siyang green na may pagka-yellow. Ganyan. And this is just a black skirt. Here's my bag. Ayan. Yan lang yung ating outfit. So, hindi na nag-makeup si mami nyo, guys. It looks very shining, shimmering ang aking face kasi naglagay ako ng sunscreen. Ayan. But hindi na ako nag-makeup.
Here you go, Mom.
Good job, baby! Such a big girl you are. Look, siya lang yung naglagay ng What did you say? Yeah. What did you say?
I started to school.
Oh, I'm so excited to go to school. How amazing is that, my love? Hmm? Wala nang iyakan na nagkaganap, guys. Come on!
Hey, that's teacher.
Hi! That's right, that's your teacher. Come on. You know your teacher. This way. Hold Mama.
They're back.
She's back. Yeah, yeah.
Where he go?
Huh? Where did she go?
He's out of school.
Oh, school.
Where he go? She's walking.
Mm-hmm.
Where's my teacher's walking there?
Show me your outfit, B. Show me your outfit for today's video. Wow! Ay, super cute naman ang bibilinin natin. Ay, nakaset na. Come on! Let's go! Let's go! So, na-drop na natin ang ating Ate Paris, guys. Ah, ito na lang siya. Time check, guys. So, it's now 10:50 in the morning. And dito tayo ngayon sa South Brisbane because magpapalashes si mami nyo, guys. May appointment ako at 11. And nandito tayo sa baba ng building na to. It's my first time here. And I think she's Korean, guys. Nakita ko sa Instagram page niya na maganda yung kanyang gawa. That's why I'm here. And sabi niya, give her 2 minutes daw. So, antay-antay tayo pag may time. Hi, how are you? I'm inside Dahi's room now, guys. That's Dahi's, the lady is gonna do my lashes. So I just want to quickly show you my before. I'll see you later when I'm done. It's nearly 1 o'clock in the afternoon, guys. Ang kakatapos lang ng ating lashes. Asan ba yung magandang lighting? Here, can you see my lashes better? I so love the result, guys. You got no idea. I think I found my place now. Kasi kung alam nyo, I've been looking for places kung saan makakita ng magandang result na lashes. And I think I found the place. Ilalagay ko yung Instagram handle niya, guys, sa screen. Para if ever nasa Brisbane kayo, you can also visit her. She's so gentle, she's very nice, and obviously she's very good at what she's doing. Look, super happy with my lashes. She used the D-curl, sabi niya. Anyways, nandito ako ngayon sa West End. Since nandito pa naman ako, ay magtitingin-tingin ako ng ukay-ukay, guys. So, I can see a few places actually. Meron ako nakikita doon. Oh. It's probably, mga vintage places. Mahilig din ako sa mga vintage, guys. Ito siya. Nagpark ako doon sa likuran. Yesterday's thrift shop. So, ukay pag may time. Tingnan natin kung anong meron sila dito. Ayan, may pang kids sila dito.
Be careful how you put when you carry bag.
Something here.
Thank you. Bye.
Nandito pa rin ako sa West End, guys. So, kakapark ko lang dyan. And, look, vintage clothing. So, I think I saw another one there. So, pasok tayo, guys. Tingnan natin kung ano yung benta. Oh, Daddy Mike would love it. Send ko to kay Daddy Mike. Parang nakakatakot. Tingnan natin na meron sila dito. I noticed dito sa West End, puro ano sila. Well, not puro. Mostly vintage. Tingnan nyo. Itong mga skirt na to, naalala nyo ba to? Mga old styles. Ayan. May mga patchy-patchy. Ito. Full of prints, colorful. Diba yan yung mga 80s. Yan yung mga looks before. Yung pinakalikuran na. Oh, wow, they've got Fendi pants. I'm wondering how much this is. Ah, cool. So they put copy. That's good though. It's still 300. But nilagyan nila ng copy. So it means... Is that right? Yeah. Still ha. Mahal pa rin ha. Ito. 300. Anong brand ba to? Bakit ang mahal? Gabi? Ha? Hindi siya umaga, gabi. I actually like this one, huh? Like this print. I don't think this is a copy. Oh, the thing looks legit. Look at that. The etiqueta. Yeah, I think this is real. I don't know. Maibig sabihin siguro yung copy for them. But I really like it. Meron pa sila. Balenciaga. Grabe, uy. Yan na yan. Mukhang hindi naman yan totoo. 800. Meron silang Burberry. Fendi bag. Dior heels na vintage na talaga eh. Parang panahon pa ni kupong-kupong. They've got Coach bag there. Tingnan natin kung magkano yung Coach nila be. 190. Diyos ko. Benta ko to 100 lang. That's the difference, guys, no? Kasi kapag may shop ka na, sobrang mahal ng renta. Kaya mark up ka talaga. Sa akin kasi online. Kaya cheaper ang benta ng mami niyo. Naka-Waikiki ang kanyang zipper. Try nga natin yung kasya. Ay, Diyos ko Lord. Hindi man ma-close. Okay. Ang laki niya tingnan ha. Pero hindi siya mag-close. Ang ganda pa naman niya. I like it. Meron akong ganitong orig na skirt na plain. Maganda. Ano ba to? 27. Tapos hindi pa siya stretchy. Hindi talaga siya magkasya. Okay, ito pala. Have another one.
A few moments later.
Time check guys! It's now 2:13 ng hapon at nandito tayo ngayon sa harapan ng school ni Ate Paris. I know it's still very early kasi 3 o'clock yung labasan nila. But, mas mabuti na yung may parking tayo dito sa harapan talaga. Anyways, while I'm here, nandito para ako sa likuran kasi magbablog tayo. Mahirap ilagay yung camera doon pag nasa nasa front seat ako. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung nabili ko doon sa pinuntahan ko. So, yes, I went to like vintage clothing shops. But, wala talaga akong nakita doon, guys. Wala akong nabitan doon. And also, yung mga pricing ng vintage clothing dito sa Australia, guys, nakakalula. Like, sobrang mamahal nila. Yung pinuntahan ko is yung parang ukay-ukay talaga siya. Yung op shop, tawag nila dito. So, yung nabili ko, tatlo lang naman. So, ay, 4 pala. So, first, ito siya. Dress for Ate Paris. Ayan. Napaka-cute niya. Pink, heart. And also, alam niyo ba, yung condition niya, tingnan niyo, oh. Parang once lang nalabhan or baka hindi na nalabhan. Ayan. And, I got this for ayan, $3 guys. Ito lang yung nakita ko na nagustuhan ko. Ayokong bumili ng something just for the sake na bibili kasi nandun na ako. Gusto ko yung gustong-gusto ko talaga kapag binili ko. So, that's for Ate Paris. Yung second one is actually a heart pillow. Pero, pinatong ko yung camera ngayon. So, mamaya ipakita ko sa inyo. Pero, heart pillow siya na may sequence na kapag ginaganon niyo siya, nag-change yung kanyang kulay. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. And then, the second one, ay the third one, is this. Sa ukay ito siya, guys. Ayan. Alam niyo ba, ang dahilan kung bakit binili ko to siya, itong perlas ng silanganan. Napaka-unique, napaka-eleganteng tingnan. Yung kanyang collar, ayan, puro pearls. See-through. Brand is Lipsy London. Ayan. Hindi ko to siya tinry, but sa tingin ko kasya naman siya sa akin. Yung botones niya lahat ay mga perlas. Made in China. Ayan. Lipsy Limited. Bet ko lang siya. Try ko to siya mamaya. Suot ko to. Kita ko sa iyo. Pag nasuot ko, mag-insert ako ng photo. At ito siya. Magkano ba binayad ko dito first? Ginunting ba nila? I think this was $12. Ito siya. At ito yung nagustuhan ko talaga guys. Hindi ko tinry doon. This is size 10. So, I'm a size 8. Tingnan natin. Suot ko mamaya kung kakasya siya. But, I really like the print. I love this is so me. Kung kilala nyo ako guys, this is so me. This is my kind of thing. Oh my God! Nung nakita ko to kaagad-agad, hindi ko na, pagtingin ko size 10, And $20 yata ito siya. Sabi ko, that's great. I think that's a really good price for this brand as well. This is Australian brand, Shake. Ayan, size 10. But it's a maxi dress na punong-puno ng print, guys. May bulaklak, may hipon, may lemon, may watermelon, may papaya, lahat na andyan. Bahay kubo ata to siya. Ayan siya, napakahaba niya, guys. But alam niyo ba, if I really want something, I always make it work. So I know kung sobrang haba man ito, magsusuot tayo ng high heels. And what's good about it is meron siyang pantali, meron siyang pang belt dyan. Parang tali talaga siya, literal. Ganyan. Para ma-cinch yung kanyang bewang at magkasya siya. Oh my goodness! Love this one. I can't wait to try this one. Try ko to mamaya pagka-uwi namin. Ayan. And $20, you can't go wrong. Kaya gustong-gusto ko talaga mag-ukay ba? Kasi may nakikita ka talagang mga great deals. Ika nga, di ba? Na someone's trash is someone else's treasure. And then, before that, guys, may minute up pala akong Girlaloo from Facebook Marketplace. Kasi ito din dong binili ko from her. Ayan. Sobrang laki niya. And guys, don't worry. Relax lang kayo. Hindi ako naggastos ng $1,000, ha? Ayan. So, this is the paper bag. Hindi mo siya magkasya sa screen. Ito siya ay packaging lamang. Kasi, may mga bags ako sa bahay na walang packaging bag. Kasi si mami nyo, pag bumibili ako ng mga stock ko from Japan, from South Korea, mga pre-owned, authentic stuff, minsan wala silang mga boxes and everything. And I noticed na kapag I posted it online with packaging, more chance of quick sale. So, ito siya. Authentic ito siya, obviously, guys. Ayan. Packaging. At sobrang laki ng kanyang box. Magnetic box. Ayan. And then, meron pa siyang pa-dust bag. Ganyan siya. Ayan. So, alam niyo guys, diskarte sa buhay. Ayan. Dapat talaga marunong tayong dumiskarte para kung mag-shopping man tayo sa ukayan ay hindi tayo mag-guilty kasi we're working hard too, you know? And then, may binigay pa siyang extra na paper bag din, which I can use for smaller goods, wallets, and all na Louis Vuitton. Ayan. Once again guys, ilalagay ko yung link ng aking eBay store sa description box below para if ever nandito kayo sa Australia, gusto niyo akong support, gusto niyo tingnan kung ano yung mga benta ni mami niyo, nandoon lahat guys. And I'm still working on taking photos of clothing kasi mostly sa website ay sa eBay natin, mostly mga bags. So actually, dito pala. So after natin pick up in Ate Paris, ay pupunta tayo ng post office kasi ayan, ito yung nabenta ni mami niyo online. So it's a Burberry bag. Authentic to ha. Authentic na pre-owned na Burberry bag. And sobrang sweet ng bumili nito guys kasi husband. Regalo niya para sa asawa niya. And hindi ko na bubuklatin. But he also purchased a Burberry skirt and a Burberry dress. So it seems like yung asawa niya ay mahilig sa Burberry. So ayan. Ayan yung aking packaging. Tapos, pinasok ko lang sa bag. And then, para diretso na sa post office naman. Sabi niya, can you write something ayan, a gift for you. O, diba? Iba rin si Kuya, Mahal na mahal niya si ate. So, ayan. Panigurado masisiyahan si ate. Nito. Very good price. Si mami niyo ay hindi sobrang gahaman, no? Basta may profit lang tayo konti, guys, kasi kung wala naman tayong profit, bakit naman tayo magninegosyo, 'di ba? So kailangan may profit din tayo. Pero hindi ako, ano bang term doon guys? Yung bang sa akin ay buhi-buhi lang ba? Like, pag may ano na ako, I feel na may kita na ako konti, okay na yun. Kaya nabibenta ko siya kasi hindi man siya sobrang mahal.
Hi guys, Mama picking up.
Pick up ko na siya, be.
My picture. We did
Wow.
it at school.
That's
for,
good.
For us.
Okay, we gotta go now. Did you have a good day?
Yes,
You happy it's Friday?
I got to
Yeah.
brush dogs tomorrow.
Yeah, you do. Come on. You go the other side. Come this side. Look. Where you going? Good girls. Wanna open? Wow, very icy. How lucky are you? Just take it. Oh.
Hey, I love when my eyes.
Hmm?
And she goes again.
I'll take it off. Look. Hold the stick. What do you say to Mama?
I'll
Thank you.
when we get to the car.
Okay.
I don't want
Come on, let's go. Uy.
I know, I was just getting a little about the ice.
Oh, yeah.
Gonna make a mess.
Thank you so much. All right, let's go. Come on.
She sucks.
Did you say thank you to Mamate?
I keep walking with you.
Go, let's go. Dito kami sa Caltex, guys.
It is a present. I call it
That's a present.
Hey,
Yeah, ice cream is a present.
it's not present.
Yes, it is. That's your present for today. Come
Yeah,
on.
TV. I got
This way.
And guys,
Naglagay lang kami ng petrol, guys.
I call, you know what guys, I call this star different, I call it tulip star. What's a tulip? Tulip star.
And so, kaka-pick up lang namin kay Baby Celine. And then, diretso kami dito. How's your day? Good? Okay. Come on, get in the car. It's getting dark now. It's only like 5. It's only 5 o'clock actually. Tingnan nyo. Yung puno na yan, sobrang ingay. Napakaraming ibon. Come na, anak! So, ito ang aming full tank, guys. Oh, buti na lang medyo cheap yung gasolina ngayon. 187.9 cents per liter. Ayan. So, full tank, $110. Okay? This way. At itong dalawa. Ice cream Yahay Because it's Friday. See, they don't have ice cream anymore. Unlike before. Yum yum.
My boo-boo.
Wala, in beautiful sea. Nandito na si Daddy, guys. Nakauwi na siya. Nagluluto na siya dyan. So, it's Friday night. Normally, kumakain kami sa labas kapag Friday.
Call
Diba?
me Nani.
Not tonight.
Nothing.
Nagluto si Daddy Mike. Oh, they can't see you. Rory! You want to put here?
Yes, sweet.
Mom, give me that.
Give me that.
Hey, stop.
Nagluto si Daddy Mike ng lamb cutlets for the girls para sa kanya at sa akin kasi kahapon ay luto ako ng spaghetti, like Filipino style na spaghetti yung dinner namin kagabi. So may naiwan pa, so ito yung pang dinner ko tonight and sa kanila yung meat. So ayokong ayan. And you know what? Ate Paris likes it, guys. Don't you lang? She likes it like sweet. Alam niyo yung Filipino style na spaghetti. Matamis.
I gotta go. Yay.
Ayan. And they're gonna have mashed potato. Ready? Was it ready, Bob? Why were you wet when you came home?
Because I touched you. Huh?
Why are you red, Daddy?
Because Mommy made me.
What?
Mommy made me?
Daddy is my chair. See? Daddy is my chair.
Are you a chair?
Yes.
Mommy, are you a chair? Daddy, are you a chair?
I'm a chair.
What are we doing now, Lini?
Watch your movie. It's movie.
Watch movie before matulog. Oh. Nakakain na ng hapunan.
let's matulog.
Tingnan niyo si Louie. Oh! You gonna watch movie as well, Louie?
Yes.
Woof woof. Woof woof.
Okay, Mommy. Okay, Louie. You're gonna watch the movie.
Okay, ding dong.
You check on me.
Now, do you love your hot pillow that Mama bought for you today?
And me. We're just gonna shake.
Yes.
Like,
Wow.
But mine for her. Guys, I don't need a pillow, but I'll share her anyways. Maybe I'll tell you. No, I'm not. Celebrating 10 years. What is this called, Daddy?
Louie, stop it. Otherwise, I'm gonna bite you.
Hey, give me that. Hey. I'll get to bite you. You're not biting. Hey, Louie.
Stop it.
Who's that?
Lippy. Looks like Lippy.
Troublemaker Studios.